It's June 9th, 2023. This is here I got a call from kind of like a relative type of guy. He's related to my daughter's husband's family. And he's got an outside faucet that's got a, he's got an old style outside faucet. He wants to change it to a frost-free one. It's an older one, regular faucet. I'd rather have a regular faucet than a frost-free myself, but he wants to swap it out, so that's what we're gonna go do. Shut it off and cut it out and see if we could switch it over. Probably gonna have to ream the hole out a little bit because the other hole will be smaller, most likely, to fit the frost-free one in. But I got a special drill where I might be able to. We'll see when I get over there. Try to get you some shots, but that's it. We're gonna take a regular faucet out and put in a frost-free per his recommendations. Joe Homeowner. Yeah, Joe Homeowner, Miss Molly. Yeah, Joe Homeowner. Yeah. Is the other one? Yeah, it's leaking. Yeah, it's leaking. Leaking from the packing. All right, so let's just change it. Definitely leaking, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so let's just change it.
Get out of your way.
Just relieve the pressure on it.
Oh, Miss Molly's driving.
Dog's all happy.
Coco, look, Miss Molly's driving.
Alright, I'll get my tools and we'll do it. I got it off here. He opened it up outside and I'm making a cut. Just going straight out. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use on this one. I got some new hose bibs I got. And I'm going to try one out on this. The water's off because it said it stopped. So it's just a little bit that's in there. I'll come back with a coupling later. So we'll try this one. I just got these in the truck. I might as well use you as a guinea pig to try them out.
All right, there you go. So these shutoffs will hold up to the elements. They won't start rusting all out.
No, you just gotta shut it off like the regular ones, right? It's a ball valve.
Yeah, but I'm talking about the outer part of it.
Yeah.
That won't start to rust up.
I don't know. We'll find out, won't we? You want to put a different style in?
Hey, how else are you gonna find out? Put it here. It starts to
I've seen them out in the field before, and it never seemed to be an issue. So let's try it.
If there's an issue, I'll just call Lavimoniere Plumbing.
Try it out. shut it off in the winter though and drain it, right?
Oh yeah.
Actually nice, they got a big flames on there. I kind of like that. Got a coupling for the other end, and
So do you still drink on the weekends?
I haven't been. No, I haven't been drinking at all. Trying not to.
Yeah.
I'm not saying I'm not going to once in a while, but I can't do it every day.
Oh no. People that get withdrawals, and people that get up in a... No, but of course I'm not walking in with a toolbox and...
No, even if I go in without a toolbox, like at first I go in there just to see if she's okay, and she's still an issue. She's protecting the house. I realize that, but still, you know, I'm a little concerned about it. Wouldn't you be?
Oh yeah.
I like these because they got a nice big flange on them. See how that nice big flange?
Yep.
Alright, we'll just turn on the, leave this open for now. It's actually not a bad valve. Yeah, so maybe that's the deal with the dog. I don't know. She didn't ever come off that couch at me yet, but I mean, I get a little concerned.
Yeah, anytime a dog...
Especially growling and showing her teeth and shit. I mean,
yeah.
Don't forget, there's no one there at the house. I'm going in there to fix something or whatever it is. And I gotta make sure there's no flipping water in this thing, because if not, it'll be might have to steam out a little bit of that water. I got it open on the other end, so it shouldn't be an issue. To be honest with you, I'd rather have a valve like this than them frost-free ones. And frost-free ones are nothing but... They're not the greatest, you know?
Yeah.
They get a lot of moving parts in them, and... Keep it simple. You ever hear that saying?
Yeah.
Keep it so. You just have to shut this off and open it in the winter. Let the pressure out, and then you'll be good.
Yeah, and this shut off here is easy to get to anyway.
I bought some of that Ammon Hammer pet carpet stuff. It comes in little boxes. Did you ever see it?
Yeah.
That shit's really cheap and it's good stuff. Just kind of spread it on your carpet. It gives a nice smell. They had like 4 boxes for $12, or you could buy 12 for 24. I bought the whole 12 of the whole case.
Where'd you find that stuff?
Makes sense. They buy a little extra. There's a bleeder here. Maybe I could open this bleeder with some of the juice out. There's a little bleeder on the bottom here.
Yeah.
You got a little. How you doing? A little water never hurt nobody, right? Just a small amount.
Yeah.
that will drain the leg out, you know, when you shut it off and you loosen that. You see that little drain?
Yep.
That drains it out. Still have to open the outside though, okay?
Mm-hmm.
This guy called me up to he says he's got bad water, a bad well. So water going to his refrigerator. He's got one of these containers in his garage, like one of those 5-gallon water jug things with a little pump on it. And the pump pumps pressure, pumps the water out of the jug, and it pumps pressure and feeds water to the refrigerator. So the guy calls me, he says, he got a brand new refrigerator, his old pump died, so he bought a new pump online, and he can't get it to work. So he wants to know if I can go by it. He hadn't had water to his refrigerator for 2 weeks. So I go over there, I unplug the shock bite fitting coming out of the pump, I turn it on, it squirts water out. I says, whoa, it's in the refrigerator. So I disconnect the water at the refrigerator into a bucket, turn the pump on, I get good pressure. I says, well, it's in the refrigerator that's a problem. He didn't have no filter in the refrigerator. So it wasn't getting any water. So then I give him a bill for a service call. He's complaining about it. It's like, guy, you're paying me for my knowledge, not for, you know, for the time.
Exactly.
You know, complaining about, oh boy, that's a lot of money, you know. All right, go shut it off. Just gotta turn this valve on here. All right, is it off? Alright, that's it. No leaks. Let's see any leaks. It says a little boiler, a little drain there. You can shut that off and open that, or just open it outside. Yeah, it should be fine now. It's a ball valve type.
Well, I'm good friends with the plumbers, so I don't worry about it.
It's all chrome, so it should be fine. It's not leaking anymore.
Notice we replaced the hose with brass fittings.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, instead of that aluminum. Unless that's aluminum, yeah, it's brass, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Might have to just tighten that with a pliers, but.
Looks good, Steve.
Don't look bad. Trying them out.